Subho Sarodiya. It's that special time of the year again. Durga Puja is here. But this Durga Puja, I decided to spend more time with my friends and family enjoying the festival instead of just running around with a heavy camera rig and creating content. But I still needed a camera. So I was looking for a camera which is small, portable, compact, but can deliver high quality videos. And that's exactly when I came across this. This is the Canon R50V, a camera specially designed for creators and vloggers in mind, combining the top-notch video qualities in such a compact form factor. So, in this video, I'm going to share my experience of using the Canon R50V paired with the Canon RF 14 to 30mm lens during this Durga Puja. So, let's get started. The Canon R50V has a very compact and boxy design that's clearly aimed at creators who prioritize video. It feels solid in hand despite its small size, and the minimal grip is comfortable enough for what the camera is meant to do. One neat touch is the capture button doubles as the record button, paired with power zoom rocker for quick control. On the side, you also get a vertical mounting option, making it super handy for shooting reel, short, or any kind of vertical content. Overall, the boxy layout feels functional, creator-friendly, and well-built for its purpose. Now, let's get into what this camera really offers. The R50V comes with a 24.2 megapixel APS-C CMOS sensor, and it can shoot 4K 60 10-bit 422 internally with Canon C-Log color profiles. For those who doesn't want to go with the hassle of color grading, there are 14 built-in color filters to instantly step up your production quality. Also, it records live audio while shooting at 100 fps. There are dual camera buttons, one at the top and another in the front, making it easy to control whether you are filming yourself or behind the lens. The front-facing telelamp ensures you always know when you are recording. In terms of image quality, the R50V is seriously impressive for its size. The footage is crisp, colorful, and cinematic thanks to the 10-bit 422 recording. Even in tricky festival lighting, bright panels, shadows, colorful lights, the camera handles it smoothly. The autofocus is really reliable, and you just have to point your camera and start shooting. You don't have to worry about focus. The portability is what stood out the most. Shooting with the R50V is such an amazing experience. The lightweight body really helps in crowded places, and I can carry it all day without being weighed down or distracted by the camera, letting me actually enjoy the moment. Yet, whenever I want to shoot or capture something, it delivers professional level high quality footage instantly. The R50V gave me flexibility and peace of mind. And honestly, the type of footage quality you get out of such a compact camera is just mind-blowing. So that's my experience of using the Canon R50V during this Durga Puja paired with the 14 to 30mm power zoom lens. Honestly, it struck the perfect balance between enjoying the festival and still capturing it beautifully. So that's it for today's video. If you guys have any question regarding the Canon R50V, please do let me know in the comment section down below. See you guys in the next one. Till then, tada.